you can leave this for tomorrow or day after?
I mean, for tomorrow. No, I want to finish this already. Like, I was expecting to honestly be like, oh, congrats, Anna, you did it. Like, yay, like, let's move to the Model 5. Instead of still being with this project. Yeah, like.
But you're learning. You see how many things I can point out to you that you can change and learn, and this is all progress. You're making progress. That's good.
No, yeah, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I feel more comfortable, like, even though, like, yeah, sometimes I'm like, what are you talking? But I'm like, then I realize that it makes sense, and okay, but one thing that I always remember that you said is, like, yeah, coding will humble you a bit, and yeah, it's just, like, horrible, I would say, to be, like, not understanding sometimes what somebody's trying to explain you, and then you're like, I'm so stupid. Like, how come I'm not seeing it? And like, honestly, that's how I feel whenever like I have a big piece of code and it's like, what do I need to change? Like, give me a second, wait.
I know I know exactly how you feel, because I was thinking about this, that I told you this, and I was thinking about this because in my day job I had to, like, there is a new thing that I needed to come up with, and I invested a lot of time. I came up with my ideas. I prepared the document with my ideas, how I saw this being implemented based on the information they gave me. And like, this other senior developer came up with a different idea, and I was angry. I was like, how is my idea not good enough? Why is my idea not working? And I was looking at his solution. I was like, damn, that's way better than my idea. And then, like, I'm frustrated the same way, and angry sometimes the same way. It's just like, you realize that, okay, I'm not, like, there are people they have way more experience than I do, and it's good that they have this experience because I can learn from them. The solution this developer came up with, I never thought about. I never saw that coming, and I never imagined doing that. But I cannot also bash myself on not imagining that, because he has way more experience and he has been working with that part of project way more than I have. I wasn't aware of how it's supposed to work and what kind of problems are there. And I didn't consider some parts. So I couldn't even come up with the proper solution. And I feel exactly like you now, sometimes. And it's totally okay.
Yeah, it doesn't feel great to feel like this.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, I'm not stupid. I just don't understand. Like, I'm not understanding well. And it's like, that's the thing as well. Like, I think that I'm so slow at like understanding things that I don't understand in this. And I am somebody who always gets things like right away. Like, I don't know, like, that's how I've always been, honestly. And like, with me, it's like, it takes time. And it's a bit like desesperating. Like, I mean, like, yeah.
I feel exactly like it feels like you're talking in my language, because like, about everything, usually I get it pretty fast, but there are some things in coding, especially in software development, I'm like, I feel so dumb with this. Like, why am I feeling so dumb? And it's always because it's very, like, it seems like, oh, it's so easy to type something in a computer and come up with something. You're just typing in a computer. How can it be so hard? But it's software development. It's like, I already told you this. It's gonna humble you. Because it seems easy, it seems like everyone could do it, but it's not easy.
This 2 weeks has passed, and I have been dedicating at least like 2 hours to like watch again the videos, to go and like, I don't know, ask ChatGPT any kind of nonsense that I do not understand or anything.
Yeah.
And like, the reason why I am more motivated is because I met with my cousin who basically just got out of like surgery, and I didn't see her for like a while. And she told me that she as a hobby, she creates like games in Java. And like, she learned that like in, I don't know, 3 weeks. And I was like, really? Like, that's amazing. You're 17 and like, you're doing this. Like, congrats. And she's like, yeah, but I don't know what I really want to do for uni. And I was like, on my head, like, if this 17-year-old can create like games in Java like in 3 weeks, or I don't know, like learn this in 3 weeks, then why I haven't been able to like already learn more?
Yeah, but did you actually saw what she created?
No. She was in a hospital.
Yeah, I'm not gonna like judge your cousin or anything and like that, but a lot of people exaggerate what they can create with coding, and actually
Okay.
they cannot do much. But I'm like I didn't see. I wouldn't judge anyone before seeing anything.
No, I didn't see it either, but she mentioned it to me. And on my head, I was like, I did ask her, like, how long did it took you to, like, do games in Java? And she was like, I don't know. Like, I practiced every day for, like, 3 weeks. It was, like, a course that she was doing when she had holidays. And I was like, nice.
There's another thing. If she did a course, a lot of courses is like there's a video and you just follow whatever the person is doing in a video. You're just repeating. And that's also a part of what you did when you started to go through fundamentals. But now you're doing stuff on your own. I'm not giving you code. And that's the difficult part. That's the part that where you actually learn. Like you can ask her, could you build this game without the course? And she probably couldn't.
I mean, I don't know when I'm gonna see her, but definitely this is a conversation that I want to have with her. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I mean, I didn't go that deep into it because she was in the hospital. She just get out.
Yeah, of course.
So like, yeah. But like, honestly, that actually gave me a bit of like, I don't know. It hit me because I was like, no, I need to dedicate more time to this, and I need to finish this, and I want to finish my freaking serving report file. Like, I want to do that. And like, I don't know, I rewatched the videos and everything, and I'm like, I want to read more. Like, I wanna see what else I can do. But it's like, yeah, I'm still in this. And I guess that I will still be working on this until I don't know when.
You're pretty close. You're close to being done. You just need a couple of more changes, and it's gonna be done. This part.
Okay. No, I will. I will do the changes.